ba? Ayusin natin, let's teach our kids good hygiene. And at the same time, make sure that we supplement properly with Ursaflora. And it's not just our kids that we protect, but we also have to protect ourselves, di ba? Parents also need to have healthy thoughts because when we're healthy, then we can love and take care of our kids better.
So true. Belle,
Ang ganda naman sa amin check. I agree with you. Ganda yun. No, just to be a little bit different because I agree with what she says. Children will follow what you do, not what you say, diba? So, kailangan talaga na tayo follow. But more than that, kailangan our children are healthy holistically. Hindi lang physical, kundi ang mental health nila, kundi rin ang spiritual health nila. And we have to be the ones that are guiding them because we're the parents or primary caregiver. So ano ulit yung tanong? How do I teach them to be healthy? So yun lang. So for mental health, ako, one of my tips sa lahat ng mga mommies out there, at guilty din ako ng ginagawa ko, minsan, kinukumpara ko yung mga kids ko with other kids or sa isa't isa. Okay, I want to reiterate that comparison is the thief of joy. Kunyari, you see your son there, bakit hindi ka pa marunong mag-basketball? Yung kapitbahay natin, magaling na. Iba sila. How would you feel if sinabi niya, bakit yung isang mommy lagi nandyan, lagi sila diba? Ang sakit. So we have to recognize children and their uniqueness and appreciate them for who they are. So that's number one, to help support their mental health. Huwag natin i-compare ang mga bata sa isa't isa. Number two, physical health. Playing with them sa labas, with nature. Ibaba yung cellphone, ibaba yung TikTok and IG. At lumabas na kayo maglakad. Take a walk, kahit 15 minutes. So, sobrang nakakatulong yun sa mental health, lalo na sa mga bata. Why? Because our brains are not meant to absorb so much information via the iPad, via digital.
try those gadgets.
Yeah. And I know that it's very, very hard, but as parents, it's our responsibility to spend time with our children without our gadgets. Syempre, you have to make time for it. And then, so that's physical steps. And of course, overall health is take Ursaflora, defense, everything. Because it's, like we talked about, it's preventative and it's also hindi naman natin mababantayan sa 24/7 kapag kasama ng mga friends sila, mga cousins, ang dami nilang pinakawa. And we just want to make sure that their microbiome, which is the second brain, is protected and live with the right bacteria. And that's why we are so passionate about Ursaflora and also our gut health.
Yeah, and these healthy lifestyle that we are advocating and we wish to live, dapat din may consistency. Hindi yung, okay, today, we eat healthy, then tomorrow we go back. Tama, Doc?
You have to be committed.
Correct. Commitment to it. And in parting, Doc, what's your advice for parents? Because a lot of them are here with us today.
Ang problema, yung dalawang guest natin ito po pa ng galing.
Husay.
Kaya
Yes,
wala na akong
very good.
magdadagdag sa kanilang sasabihin. But what I would like to focus on is on probiotic. They have repeatedly mentioned about bacillus clumsy being a defender and being a restorer. Kung wala kang problema and you want to maintain good health, especially of your gut, you can just do defense. And normally, we recommend around 2 billion spores of bacillus clumsy. Pero kung may sakit ka na, or you want
You feel something na, Doc?
yes, ang meron kang gagawin that can positively destroy your gut, now you restore. And the dose doubles. So that's the reason why
Isabel
so that we can address both the defense, 2 billion, and the restore, 4 billion. And remember, tama yung sumagot kanina, si ma'am, na unang sumagot, it can be used for small babies, for bigger children, and also for adults. That's the reason why the 2 billion and the 4 billion are here. Para lahat ng mamamayan ng Pilipinas ay masilbihan ng bacillus clumsy.
True. Happy family for everybody. Well, I wish we had more time. Mas marami pa sana kung sa'yo kwentuhan, but it's already a lot of information. And we're very